broken one. This is old, new one, broken one. Now we will put inside how to put it like this. First we will put lubrication. And then push inside. Like this. Piece of hammer, not to damage the rubber. Like this. You have to find the mark here.
Wait, there. Stop.